Hey guys, it's Green Jean 23 here, and I was on the phone with Pinkula309, and it started snowing, and I'm really sad.
I know, I'm like really mad right now because like it's snowing really hard now with like big fluffy snowflakes. It's just starting to look like spring outside, and now I can't wear my vest from American Eagle. And it's like, oh, there's stuff everywhere. Green Jean 23, make a video outside, like look out your window so they can see.
Yeah, I am, and like I just made a video of my summer dress, so excited to wear. And like I got a new spring jacket for Christmas, and I was wearing it today, but I guess I can't anymore.
I know, I just made a video of my new dress that I got, and I'm so excited to wear it.
Yeah.
And I was hoping that maybe about in a couple weeks when it starts to get like really warm out, then we could like open our pool maybe, well not in March, but like in May or something.
Yeah.
And then I could make like a whole bunch of videos outside, and it would be so awesome.
I know.
I have this swimkin that you guys never seen before. It's a lion. And then I have a white mouse. They're both little kids, but the white mouse is retired, and you've never seen them because the clothes don't work, but I don't really play with swimkins anymore, but I'm just gonna get it wet anyways, but yeah. And it's snowing, and oh my gosh, at first I thought it was like rain, and now it's all like white and fluffy.
Thanks for watching, comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye!